So, good morning, Luciana, Mohammed, and Corinne, and everyone else. I'm Weimei Pan from Tianjin Normal University. Today, I'm going to report the progress of three studies, which I'm either the lead or somewhat involved. So the first project is GS03, the AI and records and archives management in China, interaction and co-evolution. This project is co-led by me and Linqing Ma from Renmin University of China. This study was approved in April 2023, and in the study proposal, our research goals were identified as identifying the types of AI tools that are being used in facilitating and automating archival functions in Chinese archival field. The second goal is investigating the benefits and limitations of existing AI tools used in Chinese archival field. And the third goal is how archival concepts and principles were considered in the development of these tools. This far, we have conducted a strategy analysis and a AI use case analysis. For strategy analysis, originally we were thinking of doing policy and regulation analysis to understand how AI are regulated in Chinese archival field. However, a search on the official website of the National Archives of Administration of China, the official websites of provincial archives, laws and regulations database did not return relevant results. The only relevant document we identified are national and provincial 14th five-year plan, which mentioned the word in which AI were mentioned. So we conducted an analysis on these plans to see how the archival authorities perceive AI in the development of archival work. Nevertheless, the 14th five-year plan 14th five-year plan is for the period from 2021 to 2025, and 2025 is the final year of this plan. So the data is somewhat outdated considering the rapid development of AI. So very soon the state will summarize, we guess in this year, the state will summarize achievements made during the 14th five-year plan and draft the 15th five-year plan for the archival undertaking. So we are very looking forward to see how AI will be worded in the 15th five-year plan, which will be signify the state's attitude towards AI and guide its development in Chinese archival work in the near future. For AI use cases, we conducted an analysis of research projects.
Excuse me, I'm sorry for interruption, but your slides hasn't changed. It's still on the first page.
It's still on the first page?
Yeah.
Sorry. Can I?
Okay, we can see this the current slide now.
Can you see which slides are you seeing now? Is it what we have done so far?
We see that one. Yeah, we see that
fourth
one and we see the side ones.
Okay, so we'll just put it in this mode, okay?
Great.
Sure. So for AI use, we conducted an analysis of research projects and cases involving the use of AI in archival work. A total of 37 cases and projects were selected as the data for this study. In addition to strategy analysis and use case analysis, we also performed an analysis of National Archives Administration of China's annual scientific and technology projects, specifically AI-related projects from 2017 to 2024. As shown in the graph here, the number of AI-related projects and their proportion in the annual approved projects increase yearly. So next, about the results of the strategy analysis, basically based on the national and provincial 14th five-year plan. We can see from the we can see that for the 14th five-year plan for the development states the goal that by 2025, new generation of information technology will be more widely used in archival work. Information technology will be deeply integrated into every aspect of archival work. The use of digital and intelligent technology archives management will be furthered, and digital transformation can basically be achieved. With the guidance of this goal, the Chinese archival field has been exploring the use of AI and made some progress. As to the national level, the national 14th five-year plan, in addition to a statement on encouraging the deep integration of information technology and archival work, the plan specifically mentioned exploration of AI in the use and informatization of records. As to the provincial plans, among the 27 plans we investigated, 8 did not mention AI, and the other 19 stated the exploration of AI in the development of digital archives management system, deep progressing and utilization of archival information, review of archives, and supervision of archival work by relevant authorities. The results indicate that when the plans were formulated, the authorities has become aware of AI and its potential, and they are encouraging its application in archival work. However, these plans mainly emphasize its usage in certain archival tasks, for instance, development and utilization, and have not mentioned its impact on archival work overall. As for the use case analysis, on the screen you can see a list of the 37 cases we investigated. And here is more. These are the basic information of the use cases, basically the case name, the primary task, this case, the primary task, the use of AI are aimed to solve, and the institution evolved. For the case analysis, our analysis shows that there are two main forms of there are many institutions involved in the development of implementation of AI-based archival applications. So among the 37 use cases in China, we investigated, in nearly half of them involve multiple subjects. For instance, our commercial archival service providers, information technology companies. 2% of the cases also involve research institutions like universities. As to the form of cooperation among these subjects, some of them involve joint research and development of the AI-based platforms or software. And the second form of cooperation involves one organization providing data and the other providing technologies for providing AI-based technologies for the process of this data. So the second analysis we done is what the organization may need to do the preparation work for the development of or the use of AI-based applications. In order to improve the use of AI technology, the digitization of archives is a necessary work for its use, for their processing or for their management. AI-based archival applications development in the international field seems mostly focused on training of the model, involving development of the algorithm model, providing data for its training and self-learning. At our analysis, we find that the preparation work mostly involve in the development and use of AI-based applications in China mostly involve the formulation of specifications and standards for the data. So all the work evolving, we need to first regulate the archival work to improving its standardization and to this side, and also focusing on facilitate recognition and analysis of data. As to the archival tasks, wherein archival applications are mostly developed to help improve. The tasks basically cover the whole life cycle of records and archives management, but the tasks which AI applications are currently mostly developed and the maturity level of different applications vary. In China, digitization, identification of retention period, retrieval, development, and utilization of archives are the tasks wherein AI-based applications are mostly used. In the comparison in international archival field, the areas wherein AI technology are mostly applied include digitization, among which transcription of archival materials accounts for the highest proportion, followed by description, metadata capture, and quality control. Overall, the types of models used across different archival tasks are consistent, and natural language processing, machine learning, and computer vision are the technologies mostly used. As for the human-machine collaboration, in China, the form of human-computer collaboration can be summarized in two categories in the development and use of AI-based applications. So first, archivists assist in improving the algorithm. Humans and machines complete a certain task at the same time, and archivists make corrections and feedback on inconsistent results to promote learning and improvement of machine working rules. The second form involves that the results generated by the AI-based applications will provide reference for archivists' decisions and assist them in decision-making. As to how different AI technologies are used for different AI tasks. First, we found that the use of computer vision technology are mainly used to realize the recognition, comparison, and matching of text and images. Second, you evolve the use of natural language processing technology to identify identities, relationships, emotions, etc. in archival content and assist archival retrieval. Third, evolve the comprehensive use of multiple technologies. So based on the such as natural language processing, machine learning, based on the judgment, archival attributes, and matching with related attributes to realize the automation of specific tasks, such as value identification and confidentiality identification. In addition, we found that the use of AI in Chinese archival field mainly focuses on identification of retention period, digitization, and retrieval, proving that AI application is still in the exploratory stage and has not yet been fully launched. Secondly, only in some cases we analyze the highlight AI technology in their explanation of the solution, while others only explain AI as one of the multiple technology used. So this means that AI is not the main focus when they develop the solutions for they talked about. Thirdly, we found that computer vision technology is the mostly used technology, so mainly for the recognition of archival content. Only a small number of cases have begun to use a combination of AI technologies such as natural language processing and support vector machines. The application of AI technology also often requires simultaneous implementation of related management work, such as clarifying the standards for automation of AI technology and implementing the digitization of archives. For dissemination that we have done so far, we have published 2 papers in Chinese archival journals last year. Another one is accepted, will be published next month. As to what we plan to do for next, we are planning to conduct a survey and semi-structured interviews to understand Chinese archivists' perception of the current and future use of AI in Chinese archival field. For the survey, we are based on other surveys that have done in I Trust AI. We drafted a questionnaire, but we are still finalizing it to match with the research goal of our study. On the screen, on the right of the screen, you can see part of the questionnaire that we have so far. The survey is expected to be deployed in the first half of this year. And we are also writing a paper to discuss the main findings and products of I Trust AI so far. The paper is expected to be finished and published in a Chinese archive academic journal. So this is the first project that me and Linqing are co-leading. And there is another project that's the terminology translation that last year we talked with Luciana and others. We were thinking to providing a Chinese translation of the terminology. So basically, we have finished all the translation of the terms that we have so far in the Excel document online, and we already updated and included all the translation in the online document, I think yesterday or the day before. And based on the Chinese translation we have of the I Trust AI terms, we compiled a glossary for a book named the application of AI in archival work. It's a book in Chinese. The book was already published on November 1st, 2027. On the right of the screen, you can see the cover of the book and the part of the glossary. And in the glossary, I Trust AI was acknowledged, and here you can see the citation for this glossary. This is for the terminology translation work that we have done so far. There's a third project that I'm somewhat connected. That is the AD06 project, which I think is led by Emmanuel and Pei Yan Song from our school. So from my side, Professor Song has done some work, and because I'm not deeply involved in the work that he has done, so for this plenary meeting, I will mainly talk about the dissemination that they have done so far. So I think the work they have done is that they are one of their posters was accepted by the ISKO conference in which was held in Wuhan, China last year. So this poster report some of their findings, and the I Trust AI was acknowledged in this poster. There's another poster was also accepted by this conference. Is on, I think is the work is on the AI. I Trust AI is also acknowledged, and there is also a paper uh, accepted by this conference, and Professor Song presented the findings of their work in this conference also in last year. So basically, that's the three projects that I lead or connected, and the progress we have done so far, and what we are planning to do next. So I think that's all I want to share today. So thank you.